Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how much human population, a terrain, perhaps. Think of a grassland in a particular area, like there's quite a lot of grassland in Africa, but we've taken over most of Africa, China. So think about China, actually. It has a lot of population, like really a lot. So has so much people, and think about the animals there. There's not much, so there would be, in Antarctica, there won't be much people, but there won't be much animals either, because it's too cold. I know there's penguins, polar bears, stuff like that, but think about the rest of the world. Australia. Think about extinct animals. I don't even know some extinct animals because people never talked about them. Some people care, but most people don't care. So it's not allowed. I'm doing this so I can show you how much population is actually here in the world. And there's a lot and less animals because think about it. Think about a country you live in or the rest of the world that you're in or some country that you don't even know or whatever. A country. Think of its population. China I'm thinking of right now. I don't live there, but China. Think of that. And think of how much population it has. It has nearly maybe the whole, just a very lot. And then compare it to another country in animals. It's less, and the other country has more, but just not much animals. I'm just doing this. And then, yeah, so soon maybe there will be none of these weird underwater land sky creatures. And maybe they'll never ever land. Once we kill some of the trees, like habitats, so when we do tree logging as well, it's not a good thing because we can cut down a tree, but we have to replant it. And after we've replanted it, but tree logging like a whole forest and not even replanting nothing, is just you would have killed millions of animals, and yeah.